Grade 3, question 7. Look at this bar. Which of the following shows it written correctly in notes half the value? It's already given you the time signature, which is going to be 2-4, and that's the same for all three of the answers. So the way to answer this question would be to figure out where the natural lines are that divide the beats and put that in the question. And then you're going to go and do that for each of the potential answers. Now, the question asks you to change the time signature, but it doesn't ask you to change the structure of the rhythm. So that must be maintained. Now, let's go and have a look. So if we look at our first beat there, we can see that all three answers have given us the same. They've given us a crotchet. So we can't really narrow anything out from that bit. So we know that each of these is going to be correct. So we can just kind of give those a little tick. We know it starts with that. And that's really helpful because that shows us how we're going to answer the rest of the question. Let's have a look at the middle beat. Now the middle beat is also the same all the way through. So this is the same. This and this and this is the same in each of your answers. So we know that there can't be anything wrong with this one either. So we're going to have to give that one a tick too. So really, the bit of the question that is going to be different is going to be the last beat. So let's have a look and see what they've done. So here, here and here, let's highlight them. Now I can automatically reject a couple of them. So this one at the end here, if we have a look closely, we've got 3 lines all the way across. Is that the correct there? Do the lines go all the way across? No, they don't. In the question, we've got a dotted semiquaver and then a semiquaver. And then here, you've got a dotted quaver, demi-semiquaver, and then you've got a demi-semiquaver on its own. So you can see it's not quite right. It's uneven. So there is a problem with that one. So we're going to say, no, it's not you. Okay, which then writes the whole answer out. It can't be C. Let's have a look at the middle one here, B. Let's have a look at this one. Now, this one has lost the dot, and you must have the dot to keep the structure of the rhythm correct. So again, I know that it's not B. If we have a look at A, we can see that yes, indeed, it has maintained the dot, and we have actually halved the values. So by deduction and working out the beats, we've worked out that it's A.